What's up guys? So welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the market as a whole. So we can see here cryptocurrency market market cap is currently 960 billion, down 1.3% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin and Ethereum are down 1.1% and 1.8%. So the whole market at the moment seems to be dropping. There's a lot of red, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of risk in the market. And generally, you know, my kind of play is that when there's a lot of reds and when there's extreme fear, that's when you want to be buying, accumulating, and loading up on those good projects. But generally, my feel for the market at the moment is we're probably on a downwards trend. So further than what we are seeing at the moment. If I look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin on the daily, so BTC to USD. So we can see currently we're trading at 19,098, and if I just pull in a few trend lines here, so maybe if we start with this parallel channel, so we're currently kind of trading within this range. So if we look from back from November 21 to now, we're kind of bouncing around in this range, and yeah, kind of like the long-term trend is showing that we're kind of within this kind of range here. And to be honest, at the moment we need to kind of break this this level of 19, maybe 19, call it 19.5, to have any kind of legwork to the upside. But at the moment, we're kind of trading below that level. So if we look at where our support level is at the moment, so if I just pull in a horizontal line here, so currently our support is around 18.9, and we're just kind of jumping up and down around that kind of level there. But honestly, I think guys, if we break this level, if we close below the 19,000 today, and we close below that 19k level, I think we're probably going to head down. And yeah, kind of like the next leg down is around the 17k mark, and that's probably most likely to happen, is how I'm kind of thinking about it. I could be wrong, so obviously guys, this is not financial advice, just purely my opinion, but I'm thinking that we're probably headed down to the 17k level, and we fall below that 19k level on a close potentially today, and we drop down further. However, I could be wrong. We could then, if I'm wrong, we could break that that long-term trend line there, and potentially be up on up to around the 22k mark or so. Maybe in the first instance 21.5 followed by 22. But to be honest, at the moment my gut feel was that we're probably going on that leg down. So yeah, that's kind of how I'm playing the market at the moment. If I take a look at Ethereum, so I'll just go to Ethereum. So I've already drawn a few trend lines in here. So one kind of long-term trend, you can see we're going down on that, and kind of like a triangle pointing upwards there that you can see. So previously we dropped there, dropped below, made a few kind of higher lows, and yeah, we've then kind of traded a little bit upwards from that upside there. But if I just zoom in on this chart, we can see, again, we kind of need to hold that trend line and move and kind of bounce off it and move upwards. However, what's happening is, if I just zoom in, we are kind of getting below that trend line. And again, if we do drop below that trend of what's that, 1285 roughly, so we're currently trading at that level now. If we do close below that trend, I think we'll probably end up going down to around maybe the 1 grand level. So yeah, that's kind of my call there. I think maybe 1240 in the first instance, and then followed by 1032. I think we'll probably end up doing something like, I just draw it in, yeah, we just maybe bounce around. We could bounce up and maybe just drop down from there, and then just go back down to that 1k level. So at the moment, my kind of feel for the market is I'm very bearish. Obviously it depends on where we close tonight and how we are closing, and kind of where the market momentum is tomorrow. But at the moment, you know, my gut feel was that we're probably going to drop down, and yeah, maybe around the 1K level for ETH, and around the 17K for Bitcoin. Let me know what you think, guys. Obviously, it's just purely my opinion, not financial advice. And yeah, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think in terms of if the market's bearish and we're going to be dropping further, or you know, if you think we're kind of going to be going on towards an upwards trend. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot.